Hey, good morning. This is Steve Armstrong with Smith & Associates Real Estate. I am here in downtown Tampa today. I've spent the last couple of weeks with people buying properties here, and one of the things that I always get amazed at is how people come up to me and say, wow, downtown Tampa really has changed. It's really become an amazing place. So I'm down here, so I thought I'd share a little bit of downtown Tampa with you guys. I mean, I am here at Julian B. Lane Park, which is directly across the street from Tampa, as well as directly across the street from the Riverwalk. A lot of people don't know Tampa is pretty compact in the downtown area, and then South Tampa is connected. Then we have a Channelside District, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's transformed itself. The Riverwalk goes down to bars and restaurants and some amazing spaces. One of the newest things with Julian B. Lane that's come about is the Tampa River Center, which is basically a rowing center. So we're becoming a rowing capital in the area. So there's University of Tampa, which rows here regularly. There's the high schools that row down here and compete. So this is just look out there. There's some people out there practicing. Julian B. Lane is, like I said, directly across the river. Nice thing, it's it's biking. It's outdoor activity, walking paths. Parks basically circle from here all the way around over to past the convention center, and it's just, even in summertime, it's nice to be outdoors and see what's going on. So if you need love to show you Tampa, so check it out. Hope you guys have a great day.